This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Josef Parr. 2-bed, 2-bath townhouse that has been updated within the last 2 years. Vinyl plank flooring, paint, granite countertops in kitchen, roof, wood deck, water heater and HVAC have all been updated or replaced since 2022. Interior laundry room. With an excellent rental history, it is perfect for starting or expanding your current investment portfolio. This property is being offered along with 4 other properties for sale if interested. For more information, review the details below.